Hi everyone, welcome back. Now, I just thought I'd do a quick update today as it's going to be a long, busy week. I was really actually quite surprised when I just checked my Trading 212 account, and yeah, Tesla has absolutely exploded today. It peaked at around $1,093. So I just did a quick look, and this is based on stock split news, which it's one of those things I'll never get my head around why something would surge, because it's essentially the same price, but obviously people who are not using fraction share trading apps like Trading 212, if they're using a traditional broker where you've got to buy one share at a time, then it's very good news for them. As we can see, we're up around 40% there, about 10 grand profit on that one up to now. But obviously I'm not really too fussed by that, because this is for the long term, not for the short term. Bitcoin has been up again. Usually these two sort of are quite correlated and run together. So it's up 20% in the last month, and Tesla the last month is up 34%. I mean, that's off the bottom there. That is such a monster spike. If I wasn't so busy and stuff, I'd look at trimming this position and taking a little bit of profit and coming back trying to buy it when it goes down. But really, this is just my ISA, and it's just sort of invest and forget sort of account. I don't really want to be trading constantly on this one. These are just two long-term holds, which I've got the most conviction over. So I'll just pop over to the bit of news that I found. So yeah, it just says for the second time in less than 2 years, Tesla is seeking to split its stock, and shares are jumping. So basically, Tesla put a tweet out. So it says Tesla will ask shareholders to vote at this year's annual meeting to authorize additional shares in order to enable a stock split. I'm pretty sure it'll be quite unanimous, really, for the stock split, because they all know it's going to do well for their sort of shares. So essentially, shareholders would receive a special dividend for additional shares per share that they already own. So obviously, it's in most people's interest. August 2020, when Tesla announced its first stock split, this was a 5-to-1 offering. So yeah, it's unclear yet what sort of price, what sort of ratio this one will be. The meeting, Tesla's annual meeting, isn't until June, so we've got a bit of time to go. Tesla's previous stock split announcement the shares were trading around $1,300 level, so we're sort of in that ballpark. Once the stock split was announced, shares were pushing $2,000. So the company's almost doubled in market cap since then, because we're well over $1 trillion now. This was 400 billion. So let's see what happens. So what's this? Another theory is when a stock splits, such as for popular companies like Tesla, it's more easily. Yeah, I can understand that. But yeah, and it just gets into, there's COVID-19 shutdowns in China. So yeah, Tesla's Gigafactory is closed in China, which that will definitely have an impact. China's so absolutely crazy. So it's closing down. The city's closed down for 4 days. Yeah, okay. So that's really all the news on the stock split. So just going off the past, if it's another 5-to-1 split, that's obviously going to be pretty cool for all Tesla investors. But it'd be interesting to see what it does over the next couple of weeks, pending on that news from China, to be honest, because I imagine that's not really going to help production. So obviously we know that Giga Texas is coming online soon, so we'll see if that can sort of offset it. But Yeah, just a quick update there then, guys, and yeah, hope you're all doing well. I hope your portfolios are in the green today, and yeah, I'll speak to you all soon.